Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make methi pulao or menthya pulao. So let's begin. First we need to make green paste. So for that take a blender and add in 1 small size onion roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 3 green chilies, around 7 to 8 garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 small cup of coriander leaves and mint leaves. Add in very little amount of water and grind it into smooth fine paste. Our green paste is done and ready. Let's start making pulao. Heat a pressure cooker and add in 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil is heated up, add in 3 cardamom, 2 bay leaves and 1 medium sized onion finely chopped and fry them till the onions turns translucent. Next add in 1 large cup of methi leaves and fry them for about 2 minutes on medium flame. And this is the time where you need to fry the methi leaves with the oil properly, otherwise you won't get proper pulao. Next add in half a cup of fresh peas and 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped and fry them for about a minute. Next add in the green paste which we prepared earlier along with half a cup of water. Next add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now mix all the ingredients well and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the oil is separated from the masala. Next I am going to add 1 glass of basmati rice in which I have been soaking it for about 20 minutes now, and 1.5 glasses of water. Here I am using the same glass in which I have added the rice. Next add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt or as per your taste and 1 tablespoon of ghee, this is optional, and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, cover the lid and cook for 1 whistle on low flame. After 1 whistle, turn off the flame and let it rest for about 10 minutes before opening. It's been 10 minutes, now let's open the lid. Yes, it's perfectly done. So dear friends, our tasty and delicious methi pulao is done and ready. Enjoy it with some raita by the side. If you like this video, hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe KBK Kitchen. Thank you.